Disclaimer. Welcome back traders. Today we're reviewing the funded XAUUSD Quantum V2.1, a premium mount for Expert Advisor designed for funded challenges and live trading automation. This is specially built for prop firm traders. It works XAUUSD NAS100. Normally priced at $499, right now you can get it for just $25. Funded XAUUSD Quantum Premium EX4, version 1 and version 2.1. Optimized preset files, lifetime license-free updates and support. Let's dive into the verified Myfxbook account, where this is running on a demo account with XNAS broker. Gain 13.05%. Daily growth 0.82%. Monthly return 13.05%. Drawdown just 2.41%. Balance $5,651.99. Profit $651.99. As you can see, the drawdown is very low compared to the profit, which makes this XAUUSD safer for funded challenges. Let's move inside the mount for terminal. On the trading tab, you can see there are currently no open positions. This shows the year has already completed its trading cycle for now. Now, if we check the account history tab, you can clearly see the closed trades. Most of them are small, consistent wins which help in steady growth. At the bottom, the total profit stands at $651.99, which matches the verified Myfxbook results. The equity and balance remain nearly identical, confirming that the XAUUSD manages risk effectively. So, that's the funded XAUUSD Quantum version 2.1, a premium at a very affordable price, with verified performance and live proof on Mount 4. If you're preparing for a funded challenge or want stable automation on your account, this XAUUSD is definitely worth testing. Link is in the description. And let me know in the comments, do you think this XAUUSD can pass a prop firm challenge? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next year review.